Hey folks, I've been up here to the cabin probably, I don't know if I should say, I think over a week, maybe over a week anyways, working on all kinds of different projects. What I'm looking for right now is a good way to walk into the start of what we call the Witch's Broom Trail. Hang on a second. Yeah, I'll talk to you. I'm up here bow hunting and I haven't been in the bow blind yet. I've been doing all kinds of other projects. Actually been hunting with the cameras because I've got 3 deer that I know that live here because they're on the cameras at different times at different parts of the property. And I have 3 deer. And I'm not willing to reduce that number, so if I start seeing some bucks coming a courting, I might start hunting. But I've been doing other things, and one of the things I was going to take the camera back and show you here was some fuel reduction, wildfire fuel reduction. My spruce and tamarack back in here were horrible. Dead stuff, downfalls, lower branches, dead lower branches. The road is just right there. I'm walking along it right now to go back because I've cleared what we call the Witch's Broom Trail. This is kind of a spooky trail, especially in the evening, because it's got dead spruce tops and such in it. And I made a video way back before I made videos called, I believe it's called the Witch's Broom or something. Kind of a Halloween type video, and it ends at what we call the Witch's Broom tree down here. The Witch's Broom at that time looked like it was still alive in the tree. It's not any longer. There's the tree. I'm carrying a camp axe and a sign. That's what's banging around. I got a feeling that this tree might have had barbed wire or something in it one time, or maybe that's just some sort of figure. It's far enough off the road that it shouldn't be wire. I don't know if it's a strangle root or something. Maybe it's grown over something. But there's a little rock ridge that goes up through there. So you've seen that. Let's go see where I've been working on the fuel reduction. There were a lot of dead small spruce in here. I don't know why they died, if they got shaded out, but had to knock them down. There was a lot of storm damage trees in here with tops that were broken out. Now, that's what it basically looks like where I have not been working. I haven't got to that yet. This, I have been working. You can see I've taken the bigger firewood out of that, or bonfire wood. And up here is where I've cleared a lot of the fuel that's potential wildfire fuel that's laying on the floor. And I still got more to go. But getting the branches, the dead branches knocked up off. Getting all that extra stuff off the ground. If we did have we're probably 100 yards or so from the road now, but I just have this fear of fire from somebody's cigarette whipping up through here. Got enough problems with bugs and other pests. So there we go. That's one of the things I've done this week, is worked on this. And that's a continuing job. Sometimes this hat saves me from getting poked in the eye because I'm not wearing safety glasses a bunch.
Easy now, right into the night. Lights right into the night, so
What I'm actually doing right now is creating a walking path. My sister sent this sign up with me that she's had for a long time, and I didn't know an appropriate place to put it, but where we're at is out in front of the bear blind. Right there used to be a pit with debris on it. There's some old videos knocking around where some fat guy and Pete are putting bait on that. You push the button. I'm keeping the donuts. What's the date on them? I guess I should give them to the bear. Oh! Perfect, eh? What the heck are the little...
We don't want to know. We don't want to know.
Oh, they're blueberries. The bear used to come from Classic Road, come across that 80 next to us, and come up through this and just appear over this little knob here. And anyways, I'm going to make a regular walking path that goes down around to the edge of the property and back up around to somewhere, and I'm going to name it Black Bear Lane and put the sign up. I'm going to put the sign up on one of them little trees down there.